In this documentary, we explore the intelligence of marine life, focusing on the problem-solving skills of octopuses, the complex communication of dolphins, and the cultural behavior of whales. We often consider animals like chimpanzees and elephants intelligent, but the ocean harbors minds that rival our own in surprising ways. This isn't just biology, it's about emotion, memory, and social traditions beneath the waves. Let's examine the octopus, a mysterious and intelligent invertebrate. With no bones, 3 hearts, and a brain surrounding its throat, it's a master of problem-solving. Octopuses have unscrewed jars, solved mazes, and escaped enclosures, demonstrating advanced cognitive skills, memory, and curiosity. Inky the Octopus famously escaped from a New Zealand aquarium, highlighting their remarkable abilities. Next, we explore dolphins, highly intelligent and social creatures. They communicate using clicks, whistles, and body language, with signature whistles acting like names. Dolphins teach their young, play games, use tools, and even cooperate with humans, demonstrating complex social structures and learned behaviors. Now, let's consider whales, particularly humpback and orca whales, known for cultural traditions. Culture, in this context, means the passing down of behaviors and knowledge. Humpback whales sing songs that evolve and spread, while orcas have different dialects, hunting methods, and social structures depending on their pod. These behaviors showcase learning, memory, and community traditions. While these behaviors are astounding, some debate whether they indicate true intelligence or instinct. However, evidence from MRI scans of dolphin brains and long-term studies on whale behavior blurs the line. These animals exhibit self-awareness, emotional bonds, planning abilities, and a sense of identity. This challenges our definition of intelligence. Recognizing the intelligence and sentience of these creatures has significant implications. Should we reconsider practices like keeping dolphins in captivity or using disruptive sonar? Can we learn from their teamwork, adaptability, and harmony with nature? The octopus, dolphin, and whale each reveal a deeper understanding of intelligence, forcing us to rethink our relationship with the ocean and its inhabitants.